I would say that it is a mix of things which actually worked in favor of KCR in Telangana. People who are talking about anti-incumbency factor against the KCR government, they were either the opposition parties or the political observers or the activists. And at the ground, people were so confident about KCR because it was very clear that they were saying that KCR has done so much for us, and there were populist schemes that touched almost everybody's life. But interestingly, those people who were yet to get the benefits were ready to wait. I think what KCR did was, by raising and invoking that Telangana pride, he has made the election between TRS or KCR versus TDP or Chandrababu Naidu. This is, in a way, they were making the election between TRS versus TDP, which has succeeded. There was no anchor at the ground against KCR or even TRS. KCR will have to really work hard to keep the momentum, and when the SOPs are actually the luring point for the voters, there has to be always, it actually gives a heavy dent on the budget. He will have to see that the people are still happy, and the one people, when you get something, you want more. So those people who have not who have not got pension wants to get the pension. Now once you get the pension, you want some other thing, which is a house or a job. So KCR will have to see that a sustainable growth in the economy and a job, sustainable, that happiness also has to be sustained, which you have to provide something which is on a long-term basis, but the projects like that drinking water projects and the irrigation projects, those were working. The people were very optimistic about what he has initiated. So once, I think by the next term, people will definitely be looking at like what else he can give. Whoever is coming to power in the center, they want to be friendly with. So TRS has made it very clear that it doesn't mean, because we have so far been supportive to BJP in the Lok Sabha and in Rajya Sabha, doesn't mean that we will continue the same kind of trend or same kind of behavior in the coming days. So the KCR's position or TRS position is still ambiguous.